Very good afternoon once and all again. Today we'll start with our module number 3, lecture number 12, part 1. In this lecture, we are going to the concept which is related to the concept of modeling and transfer function. In previous lecture, we discussed about what is my control system, basic purpose of the control system, their components, as well as the types of the control system, open and closed loop, as well as their examples which is related to day-to-day life, and difference between open loop and closed loop control system, and how the closed loop control system will be very efficient as compared to your open loop control system, very less efficient as compared to your closed loop control system. In this lecture, we are going to the concept of modeling and transfer function. So, what is my modeling? Modeling is nothing but to study and examine a control system. It is necessary to have some type of equivalent representation of the system. So, such representation can be obtained from the mathematical equation governing the behavior of the system. Most of the mathematical equations are the differential equation, whether the system may be electrical, mechanical, thermal or hydraulic. So, modeling is nothing but so we can write modeling. So, modeling means the basic purpose is to study and examine a control system means it is necessary to have some type of equivalent representation, equivalent representation of a system. That is nothing but the modeling. So this type of representation can be obtained in the form of mathematical equation, that find out the behavior of a system, and characteristics of a system. So in terms of output, their stability, all these things which are related to that is called as your modeling. So what is meant by mathematical model? So we define modeling. Then what is meant by mathematical modeling? So we can say that mathematical modeling is nothing but the set of mathematical equations describing a dynamic characteristics, dynamic characteristics of a system is called mathematical model, which is called as mathematical model. So the set of mathematical equations which describe the dynamic characteristics of the system is called as a mathematical modeling. Mathematical modeling, first step, analyzing the system. The mathematical model which performs the various operations represented by mathematical equations. Most of the control system, mechanical or electrical, both the elements or components analyzed, the such system is necessary to convert such system in the mathematical model based on the transfer function. So in next we define what is in the transfer function. Or transfer function model. First we define what is in the transfer function. Transfer function we can define as a transfer function of a control system transfer function of a control system is the ratio of Laplace transform of the output to the Laplace of a Laplace transform of the input. So we can write the transfer function of a control system. It is the ratio of Laplace transform of the output to the Laplace transform of the input. That is called as a transfer function. So transfer function, so we can in mathematical transfer function is nothing but the Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transform of input. So this is a condition at with zero initial condition. So that is called as a your Laplace transform. So this is a formula to transfer function develop the output of the Laplace transform output divided by Laplace transform of the input, but the condition is at with the initial zero condition. Now we can write down the transfer function. Consider a block diagram, closed loop system with negative feedback, G of gain of the system, then C of S, which is output, R of S, that is input, H is the feedback, so output of this block here, H is equal to C of S, that is a feedback, R of S minus H into C of S, that is, then this is an equation. So we can write down the output of this system, that is C of S is equal to R of S minus H of C of S into G, where H is a feedback, C of S is output, G is a gain of this closed loop control system. So we can multiply G for this bracket, so we can get G into R of S minus G into H into C of S. So we can take this term, so G of S is equal to G into H of C of S plus C of S G into R into S. So this is the equation. So we can take C of S common. So we can write 1 plus G into H into G into R of S. So C of S is equal to divided by R of S is equal to G into bracket 1 plus G into H. So we can write this is a transfer function. This is a transfer function for the negative feedback. Okay, so we can see here, we can write closed loop control system. So R of S is input, the output of this block multiplication R of S into H of into C of S. J is the gain of the system, H of is the feedback of the system. So feedback is nothing but H of S into C of S. C of S is the output. So output can be written C of S is equal to square bracket R of S minus H of S into C of S into G. So multiplied with G for this bracket, and we take the G of S minus G of S into H of S into C of S this side. So we can take C of S is common. So 1 plus G into H of S into G into R of C of S. So R of S is equal to, we can say that C of S into divided by R of S is nothing but the transfer function. So this is a transfer function for negative feedback for closed loop. So what is the effect of feedback? Effect of feedback. So what is the effect of feedback? First one is on gain, second one on sensitivity, third on stability. So first we define on gain. So transfer function which is given by J into 1 plus J into H. So whenever if the positive feedback, this term will be increasing. So whenever the positive feedback, that time 1 plus G of S, G into H will be increasing, so that the gain of a system will be decreasing. So gain of the system increasing whenever the positive feedback, that time 1 plus G is into increasing and gain of the system will be decreasing. At the negative feedback, the negative feedback for 1 plus G 1 into GH, this term, basically this term, negative feedback negative feedback, 1 plus G into H will be decreasing, so gain will be increasing. So that is the effect of feedback on gain. So whenever 1 plus G is increasing, the gain will be decreasing. Whenever 1 plus GH is decreasing, the gain will be increasing. So vice versa. So means these are inversely proportional to each other. Now we also consider sensitivity. So what is meant by sensitivity? Sensitivity. So sensitivity can be said that change in, we can write down change in transfer function divided by change in gain. So according to the definition, change in transfer function, T stand for your change in transfer function, change in a gain divided by original gain. So we can write T, but we know that T is equal to G into 1 plus GH. This is the equation number 1, we can say that. So we can write put the value of this, so we can get d upon dg g into 1 plus gh. We can write this equation, so we can use the formula for derivation u minus v. So here u divided by v, so we can write derivative 1 plus gh minus g into h divided by 1 plus gh into whole bracket square. So that is the expansion will be here. Now we solve this equation, we get 1 plus gh into whole square. So we can say this is equation number 2, but g upon t is equal to 1 plus gh into h square from equation 1. So we can say this is equation number 3rd. So put second and third value in so we can get sensitivity. Put the value, this value in sensitivity, so we can get sensitivity is nothing but we can write S is equal to 1 upon 1 plus gh into whole square multiplied by 1 plus gh, that is sensitivity, which is the ratio of change in transfer function to change in gain, that is 1 plus gh. So that is the final equation for the change in the sensitivity. So in this lecture we define the feedback effect in terms of their on gain, then sensitivity and stability. So we can series equations, sensitivity. So in this lecture we define the basic terms which is related to the modeling, then transfer function, what is by mathematical model, the transfer function. So we can stop here. In next lecture we have seen the mathematical modeling, all these related terms. So we can stop.